ever read the initial works of your favorite author? Believe me, it's an amazing experience. Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I am Sanchita. I create videos on books. Today, I have a book by one of my favorite authors, Jane Austen. She was born on 16 December 1775. So this year, it's going to be her 250th birthday. As part of it, a readathon, Jane Austen July has been organized by 3 booktubers. It's Spinster Library, Blatantly Bookish, and Books and Things. I have put their links in the description. There are 7 challenges of this readathon. I have placed those 7 challenges also in the description. So far, I have been able to meet only 2. The first challenge that I have met is to read a book written by Jane Austen, which is not among her main books. I've again listed her main books also in the description. There is too much material in the description in this video. The book I have read is Love and Friendship and Other Early Works. This has 4 works. The first is Love and Friendship. It's a novel in the form of letters between fictional characters. It shows the love story of Laura. The second is Leslie Castle's story. Again, it is in the form of letters. The third is the history of England, where she, that is Jane Austen, expresses her opinion on certain historic characters. The fourth is letters collection, or a collection of letters. These give a glimpse of her growth as an author. It's an amazing work to read. Whenever we are embarking on a journey, there's always a learning phase. It is in this phase we make maximum mistakes. It is also the phase where many people give up. Why? Because they are scared of getting embarrassed, scared of being laughed at. Believe me, the number of people laughing at you will be way more than those encouraging you. But that should not stop you. Because once you achieve your goals, the same laughing people would be singing your praise loudly. So don't be shy of mistakes. Take it as a part of your learning process and pursue your dreams. Just like Jane Austen. She wrote the stories when she was in her teens, 14 or something. They show her growth. They show her learning. They show how she gained the expertise to write the masterworks that she wrote later on. It should be a moment of encouragement for us. There is no specific description of the characters because it's all in the form of letters, but you can perceive from the letters the nature of the person, whether they are shy or romantic. All the things are spoken in the Victorian era language. They give us a glimpse of that mannerisms of that time. The letters are a little formal, but still they have the same elements of discussion between ladies, what all they talk about, speaking about a third lady, looks, everything. I would recommend reading it if you are above 18 because of the language. It can be read at any time while traveling or while sitting at home. This is again a masterpiece, although it was written in the earlier phases, but today these are also being published and read by people. So you should go ahead and read it. If you have not read it, regardless of whether you are a fan of Jane Austen or not. If you have already read it, do let me know in comments how you felt after reading it. The other challenge that I met was to watch a movie based on an adaptation of her works. That is Emma. I have already read a few of her other works and created review videos on it, but it was way before July. I have placed the links also in this description. For more such reviews, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.